rain in Leningrad. It rains in the grey light evening, over mirror wet streets, over the bay and the dim river. Quietly, the grass trembles on the graves of the dead under the steady rain. Everywhere in the falling wetness stand young leafy trees, planted by the city folk after war's end and victory and bitter loss. Every man, every woman, every child, their hope's green tree. In the winter palace there is a hall of pure gold. Today it was full of silent, staring people. This evening only the gold is at home, behind rain-wet panes in the dark halls.